Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center.
Removing an item from a kit has 4 basic steps. Look up the kit ID, go to the Kit Contents tab, adjust the item out of the kit, then finally delete the item as a requirement. Access the kit ID either using the link on the component you want to remove or by looking it up directly under Serialized Items. Click on the Kit Contents tab for the kit. Select the row for the component you wish to remove and type -1 in the Add to Kit column. When you click Save, you'll see that the quantity in kit changes to 0. Now to remove the requirement that is in the kit, highlight the row, click the delete icon on the grid, then click Save. When you return to the serialized item, you'll see that it is no longer attached to the kit.
Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center.